Past simple.
How do we form the past simple? Affirmative.
Subject plus verb in past tense plus object.
We ate some lovely pizzas last night.
Conjugating the past simple. Affirmative.
I washed the car. You washed the car. He washed the car. She washed the car. We washed the car. They washed the car.
How do we form the past simple? Negative.
Subject plus did plus not plus verb plus object. Jim did not finish his homework.
Conjugating the past simple. Negative.
I did not wash the car. You did not wash the car. He did not wash the car. She did not wash the car. We did not wash the car. They did not wash the car.
We can contract the negative form of the auxiliary verb, do, in the past.
I did not. I didn't. You did not. You didn't. He did not. She did not. He didn't. She didn't. We did not. We didn't. They did not. They didn't.
How do we form the past simple? Interrogative.
Did plus subject plus verb plus object. Did you listen to music last night?
Conjugating the past simple. Interrogative.
Did I wash the car? Did you wash the car? Did he wash the car? Did she wash the car? Did we wash the car? Did they wash the car?
What did you do last weekend?
Good morning, Jolie, John. How are you today? I am fine, thank you.
I fine too. And you?
I fine. What did you do last weekend, Jolie?
I stayed at home all day.
Why didn't you go out for a while?
Because I had a headache. I stayed in bed until 9:30 last Sunday. After that, I ate bread, then I took some medicines. In the afternoon, I felt better, but I didn't want to go out.
It is great to hear that you became better. So what did you do in last Sunday afternoon?
I read some books. Then I watered my flowers and fed animals. After that, I helped my mom to cook dinner. Then I took a hot bath and had dinner with my family early. Then I went to bed soon. What about you? What did you do last weekend?
Well, I went shopping with my mother. I will have my cousin's wedding party next Thursday. So I went shopping to choose a dress and a pair of shoes.
Did you buy anything, Anna?
I tried many dresses and shoes. Finally, I chose a pink dress and black shoes.
Great. I wish you have a wonderful party next Thursday.
What about John? What did you do last weekend?
Well, I visited my grandparents in the village.
Who did you go with?
I went with my mother and my younger sister.
How did you go?
We went by bus. My grandparents' house is near a bus stop.
It is very convenient, isn't it? So what did you do, John?
In the morning, I went fishing at a lake near my grandparents' house.
How did you feel?
It was so fun. I caught a lot of fishes. Then I brought to my grandparents' house and had lunch with those fishes. It was very delicious.
What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I flew kites with my younger sister and the children here.
Whoa, it seemed exciting. I love flying the kite, too.
Yes, I enjoyed that time very much. We also took many photos to save that moment.
So what time did you come back to your home?
We came back late in the afternoon, around 6:20 p.m. Then I had dinner and did homework.
I wish to go fishing and fly kites with you next time.
Yes, you are always welcome, Anna, Jolie.